Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from the Ingenious Engineer. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download Python. I know I did a video on this earlier, but I wasn't satisfied with it, and so I made a new improved version. Python is a programming language that is great for beginners, as well as people who have been doing coding for a while. This is because of how simple the language is. Although it may be simple, you can still do many things on it, such as games, simulators, and much more. To use Python, we're going to be downloading a software called Anaconda Navigator. It is free to use and requires no sign-up. When you download it, it includes multiple apps. The one we'll be using is called Spider. Spider is basically Python, but better. It has multiple other features which are useful for coding in Python. To download Anaconda, go to your browser and search anaconda.com. When you click enter, it should pull up a page like this. To download the software, go to Products and go to the individual edition. There are these other editions, but the individual edition is the only one that's free, and it has everything that we need. When you click on it, it should take you to this page right here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see all of these apps that are included in the package. The one we'll be using is right here, and it's Spider. To download the software, scroll down until you see Anaconda Installers. It has 3 choices for whatever software you have: Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can click on the installer that you want and follow the instructions to complete the installing process. Once you've downloaded Anaconda, you can go to it by searching up Anaconda in your computer and clicking this icon over here. It takes a while to open. Once it has loaded, you can see all of the different apps that you have. Here is Spider. To open it, just click Launch. This too will take some time to load. Once it has loaded, you should see a page like this. Now, to navigate in Python, there are a few important things to know. This is where you write your code. It is where you can put all your commands and everything you need. This box over here is where everything you run shows up. For example, if I just use a simple print function and run it, it will give me the result in this box over here. This button over here is the Run button. When you click it, it runs your code. To open a new file, just click this little icon over here, and it should open a new blank sheet for you to write your new code on. This bar over here is where you can view all of your different codes. And to save a code, you can just click Ctrl S, and it will let you title your file to whatever you want. And you can save it wherever you want. Now that you have Python, check out my other videos to learn how to code in Python and create your own spectacular codes. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. See you next time.